the other side.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay, switcheroo. Okay, everyone say.
Holy!
Hello everyone, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry. Today I'm with the Cinnamon Sisters. So if you don't know, I'm Nicole, this is Zyla, this is Madison, and basically C-N-M Cinnamon, haha.
Sin.
No!
Man,
Sisters, yeah! These are my best friends, we're the Cinnamon Sisters, and today's video is going to be, wait, what is it called?
I don't know.
Half face.
We'll call it like
Best friends
do
do
my
my
makeup, something like that. But anyways, like they each get a half of my face, so Maddy gets
get the
this
better
side.
Are we gonna like draw it? Are we gonna like draw a line?
No, we won't do that.
Weird. What?
I'm so sorry.
There's like a little table with like a bunch of makeup, and she keeps
Yeah.
knocking everything down.
Stop wiggling your knees.
Okay, so but yeah, Maddie's gonna get my right side and then Zana's gonna get my left side. They're competing against each other, so who will be the better makeup artist? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it.
Oh wait. Shh.
Wait,
Where are we going?
Shh. That way.
now, 1, 2, 3. Let me tie my hair. Had them pick out the makeup they want to use. Zyla knows about makeup. She like wears it sometimes, but then Maddie doesn't even.
Maddie's
have
like, what's
half of the
concealer?
things
What's
that Zyla
foundation?
did.
Yeah. So like they're sharing a lot of things, but then they also have individual things that they want to use. Begin. First, what are we starting off with?
Prime.
How are you gonna spritz like how?
Just hold it. I mean, just go like this.
You have to do it. You're my makeup
Yeah,
artist.
do it yourself, Madison. I'm not gonna do it for you.
I'm just gonna.
I recommend like spraying it out first, so like to make sure.
Also,
Yeah, to make
it's
sure
like
it's like working good.
12:19 at in the
for
morning.
some reason,
in the morning.
For some
sorry.
reason, we always film our videos like at midnight.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like 12:30.
I really hope I don't break out after this.
Oh yeah, love you. Do I even have foundation? Wait, oh, it's over here.
She's stupid.
Okay, where do I put it?
I mean,
You want to do it?
okay, next we're going to foundation.
Just gonna.
Is it even coming out of the bottle, or are you just hitting me with the foundation?
I'm squeezing it.
Okay. Go ahead.
Literally watching me and doing the same thing.
She has no idea what to do.
Okay,
Like,
if it gets on your lips,
Oh.
I'm sorry.
this whole video is just us laughing.
That's all our videos. Oh my,
Oh
this
my
is
God.
not your shade, honey. Oh no, she looks like a ghost.
Wait,
If you don't need it, then you need it. Oh my god.
concealer.
Oh, that's a perfect triangle, bro.
Doesn't matter if it's perfect. You look like Casper the Ghost.
Oh my god.
Oh, it looks like she's dying.
Oh frick, posture.
Do you do posture?
What?
Did you say
do you do posture?
I can't find it.
I can't move on, right?
Yeah, no. You have to wait
I
for
should
Maddie.
just go downstairs and get a snack. Wait, I don't want to go alone. There's like ghosts.
Wait, why isn't Maddie's side blended?
Why is your side like pretty blended? Why? Why does it look like kind of white? Just swiping bad?
Tyler's just on her phone. Can you hurry up, Madison?
Bruh. Super white. Can I go back a step? I want to put on
Powder.
Oh, I don't even. Do I even have that? What the?
I know what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh.
Just go like this. Here.
Oh!
Wait, can I use
Yeah.
that brush?
Oh my god, it's getting on my leg.
Now, where do I put this? Sorry, I'm ruining your brushes. Also, I need to make you look darker. I'm ruining your brushes and I need to make you look darker, so I'm putting bronzer like everywhere. Oh shoot, yeah, I should be doing that too. Boop! Oh my. Why does yours look so nice?
Let's talk about life.
School sucks. I'm gonna say that.
Yeah, we're still in school. We're filming this on June 16th. We don't end school till June 20th.
It's true, people. Look at Maddie's.
Okay, so I'm currently editing this video right now, and I'm so sad. I don't know what happened, but a bunch of footage from this video just got deleted. And I'm so sad because not only was this video so much fun to film with my friends, but I'm also having a really good time editing this video. But yeah, sorry that a bunch of footage got deleted. I did find this last clip, which you'll see in a second, but it's just kind of confusing with the video like jumping from another clip to another clip. I apologize, and you know what? Stuff like this happens. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, bye. Maddie just farted on my chair.
No, I didn't.
Show the colors you're using. They kind of look really similar.
No dip.
God. She's so mad right now. Okay, ready, go.
Last time I put it way too high. Oh shoot. Oh no.
Wait, I need a smaller
It's
little
less up there.
Oh wow,
like...
look at Silas.
Okay, you know what? Oh, that's all. Ooh. Go, turn. There you go. Wow. I'm finished.
I'm done.
Oh.
Setting spray.
Okay, setting spray, then we're finished.
It's gonna try. Yours is like actually air. Mine was like a squirt.
Oh my god! Here's the finished look, everyone. So this is Maddie's side. And this is Zyla's side. Go to my Twitter at Laeno Nicole or my Instagram at Nicole Laeno and tell us who did a better job.
It's probably Zyla. I mean, it sucks.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Woohoo. We're so tired.
Go like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications.
If you guys want to follow us, our socials will be down there. Tell us what other videos you guys would like to see from us.
It was a struggle coming up with this video idea.
I know, right?
Love you guys so much. Bye.